Hey friends, it's a beautiful day here in Colorado, nice and sunny, perfect for grilling. One of the things I find myself always wondering though is if my propane tank has enough fuel in it to get us through the next barbecue. That's why I wanted to show you guys this product. This is the Mopeka Pro, and it actually will measure the amount of liquid that you have remaining in a container. Now, as you can see, you can use it for all sorts of applications. For us, we're gonna be using it for our propane. Now, here's what else is really cool. This is magnetized and it will mount right on the underside of your propane tank so you can get those readings and then you're able to read it from an application on your phone. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set it up for the first time. We're gonna open up the app and we're gonna check things out. So the first thing we need to do is download the Mopeka Tank Check app. I'm on an iPhone, so into the App Store, I typed in Tank Check. As you can see, it's that first app right there. I'm gonna get it. Now you're gonna have to give Mopeka access to give you notifications as well as use the Bluetooth functionality on your phone. What we can then do is push and hold the sync button on the actual device. It's the green button on the left. We're gonna push and hold that for 5 to 10 seconds. And actually, as soon as we hit that sync button, the device was recognized by our phone. Now the tank is reading empty at this point, obviously because we have not installed it yet, but we do know the device is communicating with our phone. So let's go ahead and click the arrow on our device, the desired commodity to continue. I'm on propane. If you hit this down arrow though, you can see there's all sorts of other liquids that you can input. Again, we'll use propane and click select. Okay, as you can see, we now have a much larger screen and information. Again, we're getting a low quantity on the tank because the sensor is not yet installed. Okay, the next thing we need to do is put a little bit of this sonic grease, this is included in the packet, onto our sonar. This is that little black button right in the middle. Again, putting that grease on there ensures more accurate readings. So let's go ahead and put a little bit of that grease on here. Okay, with the grease in place, we're ready to install. Okay, now underneath our grill, we have our propane tank. And the best place to put this is on the base right in the center. So let's pull this out. And I'm just gonna stick this directly on the center of our tank. As you can see, it just mounts super easily, it's magnetic. And as long as this doesn't shake like crazy, that is on there. Okay, with the tank back in place, let's jump back on the app and get a reading. And look at that, right away we get a reading. You can see it's 61% full. That is absolutely incredible. So now checking on my propane levels is as easy as opening up this app and getting a quick reading before our next barbecue. So there you go, friends. That's the Mopeka Pro. We'll put a link right here in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. Now we're making a ton more of these tech product review videos to help make your life just a little bit easier. Stay tuned. We got a bunch more of those coming up soon.